Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to connect hotspot with any other device in Oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Here you will see, click on that. After that, here you will see many options. Scroll up and you have to click on the other wireless connection option. Click on that. After that, you will see many options. Click on the personal hotspot. Then firstly power on personal hotspot. After that, in the other phone, click on the setting icon. After that, you will see many options here. Click on the Wi-Fi and firstly turn on Wi-Fi. After turning on the Wi-Fi, you will see nearby Wi-Fi network, that is you will show, and here you will enter the password. After clicking on that Wi-Fi network, enter the password and click on the show password. You will see password here, so enter that password, then click on connect, and here you will see the result. In that way, hotspot is connected with any other device in that way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.